we do our front. It all depends to me. To me, it depends on neighborhoods. We do the front first, and then we'll hit finish the back. Like the trimmer finish the front first, and then it goes to the back. Reason being, what's up, gang? It's your boy Grand Shaw, and I'm back again with another video. We out here sweating our behind off. So y'all take that look. Next week we get all week rain, so at first I wasn't gonna cut it, but I'm gonna cut it now because it's a little crunchy, but with the rain next week, and you kind of want to we in Florida, and I've been doing this for a little minute. If you don't cut it now, next week you come to cut, it's gonna be rained out. Watch, it's gonna be rained out. You can't even cut it. We got Chip with us today. That cat, I don't know, man. Y'all ever had that problem with the helpers? It's like babysitting, bro. Yeah, I get it, babysitting, but bro, you've been doing this for me for almost 2-3 years now. The houses don't change. We do our front. It all depends to me. To me, it depends on neighborhoods. We do the front first, and then we'll hit finish the back. Like the trimmer finish the front first, and then it goes to the back. Reason being, why the trimmer in the back, the front could be clean, getting done, and all it takes the trimmer to go back. They swap, basically the blower and the trimmer swap. Yeah, one go this way, one go this way. That way eyes is always on the truck. So I'm trying to teach these cats that get the front done first. It's a reason for it, man. All right, on to the next yard. Then we got a couple more, and we got a big tree, so that's why we got Chip to do, man. We really don't need extra hand on throughout the week, but today we got a big tree, so y'all see it. All right, we on it. We got this. I'm gonna knock this, and we gonna move it to the next. All right, I'm bang that over there. They banging that one. And we gonna bang this one. All right, this is the backyard. It ain't nothing much. Just want to show y'all what it's looking like. They're not all 10s, man, and that's cool. As long as the outcome is income, man. All right, let's get it. All right, the crew finishing it up. We on to the next. Let's get it. All right, we made it, y'all, to the tree. Just touching it up a little bit, and then we're gonna do the hibiscus bush over there. Yeah, simple as that. Let me get a stand for y'all. Get it cracking.
wanted it back towards the rock, so you did it. No, that's it. Still got a couple nips in the front over here. More towards the front. Right there. Perfect. Perfect. Now come back. Yeah. Got it. Got it. It looks nice and level. Check that corner right there. Squirrel. Big dead squirrel. looks good. That's why I'm down low so I can make sure I see it, you know. But it looks good. It looks really good.
Yeah, gas?
Yeah, put gas in the phone.